In today's video, I'm going to share information that a lot of marketers don't share when it comes to affiliate marketing. Coming up. Affiliate marketing can be very frustrating if you're not sure what you're doing right from the get-go. So I hear people saying, oh, it doesn't work or it's all hype. It does work, but it requires a specific strategy. Now, let me share with you what I mean. Now, a few days ago, I created a video where I was promoting Fluent Forms. This is a plugin. It has a 20% commission. Now, let me show you what I mean. So over here, since I posted the first video whereby I show how to use the plugin and also how to connect a payment to it, I've received 70 views, 1 unique click, no conversions. So as you can see here, 70 views. I mean, it took me time to create the video, and I also have a YouTube channel which has quite a lot of subscribers, 50,000 to be more specific, but still I only got 70 views. Now imagine if you were starting with a very small YouTube channel, getting these 70 views could be close to impossible. Now, even a step further, I have a mailing list. And if you're starting off without a mailing list, this is also going to be really challenging for you. So as you can see here, I haven't made anything from here. Now, does that mean that this doesn't work? No, it doesn't mean that, because I'm going to show you something even more interesting. If I come over here to my LearnDash dashboard, you can see here that I've made 2,662 this month so far. So then you may be asking, how is this happening? Because these are two products. Aren't they supposed to be getting the same traffic or performing the same? Well, the answer to that is no. And this is where a lot of marketers don't share this information with you. Now, let me explain. When I take a look here at LearnDash, LearnDash has a name and it's been out there for a very long time. And when I compare with Fluent Forms is not very popular. In fact, let me prove this to you with numbers. So if I come over here to Fluent Forms, I've just put in there Fluent Forms Pro, which is the product that I am trying to promote. As you can see here, the search volume is poor. And although the competition is good, which means there's very few people that have tutorials about this or any videos about this. Yes, optimization is excellent, but very few people are searching for it. So if you're going to be promoting this product, then how are you going to make it popular? Well, the only way to do it is if you have a large mailing list where you can just go to your mailing list and say, hey guys, I've got a fantastic product that I've just come across. Check it out here. You can buy it and here's how to use it. That could work. And this is why growing an email list is very, very important in this game. The other way is you would pay to get traffic to your video. And if you watch the video I created yesterday, it talks about my comparison of me trying to do YouTube ads and totally failed. Okay. So if you're trying to get your traffic through ads, then obviously this is going to be a failure. Now let's compare this with LearnDash. So if I come over here and search for LearnDash, you can see here that the search volume is good. It's right there in the middle. Of course, ideally, it would be nice if it was all over here, all the way here, but it's okay. But if we compare the two, over here, it's in the poor category. And then over here, this is good. So this is why I can create a lot of tutorials about LearnDash. And because it's a popular product, more and more people are going to see my tutorials because there is a demand over here. And then the search results as well, this is only 13,000, which is great. I can compete with that. But that's based on my YouTube channel. So this may differ based on your channel. Okay, so moving on. So when it comes to affiliate marketing and promoting products, the rule of thumb is you need to create a product which is popular, a product that people know about. If you don't do that, then you have to find the traffic another way. And that is either from your mailing list or you need to pay for YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and so on. And that can be very, very costly. Now, for that to even work, you also need to be able to have a bridge page and also promote other products other than the one that you're promoting for you to make a profit. In fact, I go into a lot of detail in a video that I created yesterday. But as you can see, when we take a look at the affiliate marketing dashboard here, I mean, the sales ratio is fantastic. It's almost 10%. So everyone that goes on to the landing page that I recommend, 10 out of 100 sign up for it. So this is really, really good because usually this number is quite low. So the takeaway from this is if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, your niche has to cover products that are popular, or you have to grow your audience first. So if you had a large YouTube following, this will definitely work, even if this was down to about 2%, because a lot of people will see your videos and they are recommended even more. But if your channel has low subscribers and you have very few people on your mailing list, this can be a challenge. And this is why you hear people say affiliate marketing doesn't work. This is as good as setting up any other business. You have to grow it. You have to build your brand. You have to be consistent with your content that you create in order for this to grow. So I would say if you wanted to really succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to have at least 3 to 6 months of some serious content around the products that you are promoting, just to put your face out there so that people can, trust you and they can know who you are in order for them to buy from you. So this is what you need to do. So I hope this example illustrates that not every product is the same when it comes to promoting it. The product has to be popular, first of all, but it has to be popular in a way that it shouldn't be overwhelming, because if there's a lot of people promoting that particular popular product, again, you are in trouble. So you have to find a balance between a product that is not very popular and a product that is not heard of anyways. So I hope you guys learned from this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'd like to hear what you guys think. Leave your comments in the video description below so that we can discuss as a community. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.